My name is Dr. Katie Karen, and I'm a veterinarian at the Animal Medical Center of Wyoming. And I'm going to talk about something called reverse sneezing. This is a condition that is a spasm of this area here called the pharynx. And it's I always call it a second cousin to a hiccup because it's happening involuntary. It looks super weird and makes people super nervous, but it is usually not a big deal at all. And you get to see my attempt at it, and it goes like, it has that very distinct noise. So if you do see that, rub right here to help with the spasm, and it should go away. But if you do have any other questions or concerns, call us here at the Animal Medical Center of Wyoming.